Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the Logitech G Pro Wireless mouse. So first of all is to make sure your device has updated its firmware by connecting it to its charging cable and a USB port on your computer. So next is to open G-Hub and click install if you see the firmware update banner, and then follow the on-screen instructions. So with G-Hub opened, unplug and replug your Lightspeed receiver into a different USB port. Follow any on-screen instructions. If you don't see the option to install the firmware for the receiver, you should follow these steps. So, you click the gear icon to go to the G-Hub settings, and then click the device pairing tool here under the support. It is highlighted blue so you won't miss it. And then next is to choose the product you want to pair with, mouse or keyboard. Confirm that the receiver is detected by the device pairing tool as shown in the screenshot, and then continue and follow the on-screen instructions. So if this doesn't work, unplug and replug in your receiver to try the steps again.